In this video, we're going to explore all the information that we can find on an Admiralty chart. There is a whole stack of information, much of which abbreviated, and we're not going to get a chance to go through every single area of information in this video, but we'll certainly cover some of the key points. So some of the first bits of information we can look at is every single chart has a catalogue number or a chart number. And in this case, it's located in the top left-hand corner. And it's RYA 3. This is one of the RYA training charts. Across the top, we have all the tidal diamond information. In one of our other videos, we look at what this information is and how to use it. Up and down the left and also the right side of the chart, we have our latitude scale. And this is broken down into groups of minutes, so 15 minutes of latitude, 16 minutes, 17, 18, 19, and 20, with 1 minute of latitude being 1 nautical mile, and this is further broken down into decimals of 2. Our longitude scale across the top, set out in much the same way. It is our latitude scale that we use for measuring distance. And this gets talked about why in another video. Most large-scale charts will come with a small chartlet, which is an inset of a harbour plan, a little zoomed-in area. Other bits of information we'll need the logbook, we need a tidal stream atlas, and an almanac. Together with the chart, they allow us to navigate safely with all the right information. In one of our other videos, we have a look at what some of the chart symbols mean. In particular, wrecks, rocks, and reefs, or underwater obstructions. There's a full book though, supplied by the Hydrographic Office, and it's National Publication 5011, and that covers all the squiggles, dots and crosses you can find on the chart. Continuing the look at charts, we have the compass rose. This is where we find the variation and also the information to calculate the variation in the coming years. Check out our video on variation for all the information there. Most large-scale charts will come with a text box, and this one tells us the chart title. It tells us the scale. It gives us the geodetic datum. It gives us the chart projection. It gives us heights and tells us where they're measured from. It gives us depths and tells us where they're also measured from as well. If it's applicable to the chart, we also get areas, information areas, such as pipelines, ferries, high-speed craft, and they're written on the chart in magenta. Most large-scale charts will give us the tide levels referred to the datum of soundings. And this is a tide table which gives us HAT, mean high water springs, down to mean low water springs for all the standard ports on that chart. Other information we can find, it gives us the addition of the chart, the corrections for the chart. We can see on this one that it's edition 1, 2nd of March 2006, and there are other areas of information here relating to the chart corrections for that chart. As we go through some of the other videos, you'll start to pick up some of the other information relating to charts.